Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Today is Wednesday, April 3rd. Yay. Hey, I'm heading up, this is Arizona 95. I'm just going up here through these low mountains. I'm going to go up through a little community called Parker Dam. And this is kind of my getaway. I do this every year about this time. I make one trip, come up here and film, and really just to get away for a few hours. I just absolutely love this area. It looks like we're hitting a little road traffic here. This is one of the most prettiest drives you can take, and it's only 30 miles from Quartzsite. Right there's a Colorado River. Look at the mountains. Look at it all. And we're going to see a whole bunch of it as soon as we get up the road here. We're not very far. Let me get through this traffic. When I get up close to Parker Dam, I'll be back. Enjoy the ride. Okay, here we are. This is Parker Dam, Arizona. Yay. We're going to make a left up here. They call it 95 Spur. It's like a low side road. I mean, we're right on the absolute edge of Arizona. This is the edge of the state right here. Just on the other side of those houses there on the left is the Colorado River. There's like a gas station here and a little mini mart and that kind of thing. A lot of storage units. This is boaters everywhere. Boater town. Wonder why? Maybe because they got a big river? Okay, let's make a left. Yeah, a couple little restaurants there. They've been there a long time. Alrighty. Right up the road here is Parker Dam. The start of Lake Havasu that creates Lake Havasu. So let's get up here a little ways. I got the GoPro mounted in the inside on the dash. I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna roof mount it real quick. Get a better view. That way we're not looking through the windshield. Look at all the power lines too. I mean, this dam generates a ton of power. Okay, right up here, I'm going to pull off right up here. I'm going to switch cameras. And then well, heck, I might as well go, I'll film the river real quick too with the other GoPro. Alright, let me change cameras, change gear, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's wander over here. This is at 95 Spur. Straight across, that's California. There's the Colorado River. There's the dam. Built in the 30s. Things produced power forever. We're going to go up in that neck of the woods on top of those hills over there. I got a favorite little spot I like to stop. But isn't this just pristine? Wouldn't you like to live here? Look at that. Just like a postcard picture. Okay, well, let's get back up to the van. I'll put the GoPro up on the roof. I don't like driving when I'm going over 50, 60 miles an hour, have it roof mounted. I'm going to do that real quick. Then we'll get on the road. Okay, we're filming. Much better picture, isn't it? You're not looking through the windshield, the lens. I can see it on the iPad here in the cab with me. Just crystal clear. This will turn out good. Good quality video. But look at the mountains. I mean, look at the greenery in the red rock. I mean, it's like prehistoric here. But that dam was built in the 30s. About the same time Hoover Dam was built. They put that thing in there. Those gates, once in a blue moon, now open. Okay, see this little road here? This is my little hideaway. It's called Takeoff Point. We're going to wind up this hill. And we're still on the Arizona side. Isn't it pretty? Look at, still, oh look, flowers. Nice. But we'll be able to look straight down on the dam from up here. It's rare to have this close access to something like this. Looks like a van up here. Guy parked, probably out hiking. Good hiking trails here. There's BLM. Some of this is BLM, some is state of Arizona. I know there's camping, there's definitely boat ramps, all kinds of stuff here. Fishing. I always see people fishing down here. I've come up here for quite a few years. Okay, as soon as this truck passes, we're going to pull in here. This is like a little picnic area, day use. Little memorial there. Swing it around. There's the dam. Isn't this neat? Okay, let me get out and we'll wander around a minute. I've come up here and just sit for a couple hours, just enjoying the view. You'll see it, not right down here, you'll see boats out in the other end. We'll go down to the boat launch. Just sit up here, watch the cars drive across. And there's a ton of traffic on that thing. It's amazing. But only cars and pickups. There's no way you can take a trailer over there. Look at the flowers. They're still happy. Nice and yellow. They're gonna fizzle out pretty soon though. Starting to really get dried out. That's the California side over there. Ton of water. The lake maintains its level pretty good. Then way down there is the boat launch. We'll run down there real quick. Anyway, this is one of my little getaways. Check it out. If you're in this neck of the woods, definitely stop here. It's free. Free views. Okay, let's run down to the boat launch. No one's out here. This is why I like coming out here this time of year. A month earlier, this place would have been packed. Absolutely packed. That's why I usually come around here right on 1st of April. Been doing this for a long, long time. I don't fish anymore. I just like coming out and sitting. I bring my Sony camera and take photographs. I like photography. But you can park down here and you can stay parked, I think, up to 48 hours or something like that. I don't, there's signs down here, we'll find out. But see, you can park your boat trailer up here and just walk down. Off to the left is a little fishing area with picnic tables. All day use here. Now I'm pretty sure down here you can camp along the shore, like tent camp. No RVs, I think it's all tent camping. There it is. Here's the boat launch area. Looks like a few boats are out now. Let's get parked here. Then I'll get out. We'll walk around a minute. Nice ramp. Nice boat launch. Nice boat out there. Look at that thing. Now you want to spend money and fuel? Own a boat like that. I had a few boats in my lifetime. No more. Had my fill of it. It was good while it lasted, but done. Now I'd rather put fuel in an RV. Okay. Warning. Log fence ahead. Okay. There's another look at the dam. Pretty deep in here, I bet. Water's deep. Okay, back over here. There's their parking. That sign said 72-hour parking. Oh, storyboard. Let's go read it. That little building right back there is restrooms. Outhouse style restrooms. Takeoff Point, day use and boat launch. Try to read it here. BLM shoreline camping, yes. 3 days. They charge $10. That ain't bad. Look at the map. Look how long the lake is. Like 30 some miles long. If you ever stop at that Bill Williams Preserve, they got a bunch of history on the lake. That's up the road farther. Cool. Check it out. Takeoff Point recreation area. Alright, well I promised you right across the dam. Let's go to California. Right across the way. I will drive back down the other side. That's called Parker Dam Road on the California side. And I'll make that into a separate video. I'll fly the drone on the other side too. So anyway, for now, let's get across the dam. What a pretty day. Yesterday the winds were just screaming. The entire desert area. Today's beautiful. Few high clouds, about mid-80s. Perfect temperature. Nights are in the 60s. Okay, right off to the right, that's where that picnic area is. You can sit right down there in the water. They got little fishing alcoves and ramps and stuff. But it's one way in, one way out here. A lot of boaters come in and use that ramp. Too bad you couldn't RV up here, but they won't let you. But that's okay. But look at this view. Check it out as we go down this hill. I've walked down this thing and took pictures before, up on the rocks. I've explored all over in here. Just pretty. Oh, here comes one. There goes a speedboat. We can go skiing probably. Okay, we're gonna head across the Parker Dam. This is where Lake Havasu starts. All the guards here are cool. They always wave at you. You can walk up, they'll give you pamphlets about the dam too. There's no more tours. They don't do tours anymore. Only cars and pickups. No trailers, no RVs, nothing. They will stop you. Alright. Well, we're going to call this a video. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.